Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making some grimy pennies shiny, and some shiny pennies green, using chemical reactions from things around your house. You're going to want a few grimy pennies, a few shiny pennies, some little saucers or dishes or other things to hold a small amount of liquid, and some liquids from around your house. These could be things like vinegar, or dish soap, or ketchup, or soy sauce. And the point of all these different liquids is we're going to try and see which ones clean our pennies when we put our pennies in those liquids. So I'm going to try my dish soap, my vinegar, my ketchup, and my soy sauce. Which one do you think is going to clean my pennies the best? And you can try this on your own. Once you've got your liquids in your containers, it's time to put your pennies in. And by the way, if you're using vinegar as one of your liquids, you can make it work faster by putting a little bit of salt in it. And then mixing that salt around. Alright, I'm gonna put my pennies in. There's the vinegar. There's the ketchup. I'm going to fully cover it in the ketchup. And there's our soy sauce. And there's our dish soap. And finally, now that you've made some pennies shiny, here's how you can make a shiny penny green. We're going to want another saucer, some vinegar, and a paper towel. And we're going to need to be able to wait for a day. First, we're going to take our paper towel and we're going to fold it twice so that it has 4 layers. We're going to put our paper towel in our saucer. We're going to take some vinegar and we're going to fully soak our paper towel with vinegar. And now we're going to take our penny and we're going to rest it on top of the vinegar-soaked towel. And now we're going to wait for a day. Come back a day later and see how your penny looks. If you want to share any of your creations, you can use the hashtag #MakeIt. And be sure to look online for our Make It Live offerings, which are activities that you can join where you can work with a maker educator live over the internet. Hope to see you soon.